Hi, my name is Dasha and I'm with Symmetrics Exercise and Rehab. And today I'm going to talk about back pain. So specifically the lower back. A couple of warnings. If your back pain started because of an accident, like a car accident or a fall, you want to seek medical attention first. As well as if you have any symptoms down your legs, like numbness or tingles or muscle weakness. If your pain is severe and hasn't gotten better in a week, or if you have changes in your bladder and bowel function. All of those are really good signs that you need to seek medical attention, so your family doctor or someone like that. If no, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you some dynamic and static stretches on how to relax your back and hopefully relieve your pain. So what you'll need is some floor space, preferably hard surface, so the floor, maybe a mat. If you can't get down to the floor, then use your bed. All right, so bring your hands to your hips. And the first one's called pelvic clocks. So our back moves in 3 different directions, and we're just gonna do a nice and easy supported motion for those 3 directions. So first, I'm gonna get you to rock your pelvis. I should also say that they're pelvic clocks because the idea is if you imagine a clock face, we're gonna go in all the directions of a clock. So first we're gonna move between 12 and 6, 12 being up, 6 being down. The center of your body between 12 and 6. So just like that. And you may notice that as you start, things feel really uncomfortable. So just be gentle, go slow, small. Use your breath so you're breathing in and out for different directions. And about 10 here. So I'm just gonna go up and down as far as it's comfortable. And once you're done 10 here, the next direction will be to move the center of your body between 3 and 9 on the clock. So hips in neutral, and then I'm gonna shift my pelvis to 3, and then shift my pelvis to 9. And same idea here, once you first start, you want to be gentle, take it slow, just moving one side, moving the other side, and about 10 times here in each direction. And using your breath, so breathing in, breathing out. Hopefully as you do this up to 10 reps, it gets a little bit looser and easier to move, and your body and your back feels more relaxed. And then the third direction is going counterclockwise and clockwise with the knees. So feet together, knees together. If you like, you can do hands through the floor. And then you're just gonna shift the knees from one side to the other side. A nice, easy movement again, so it doesn't have to be huge. Your knees don't have to touch the floor. Just small. And same idea, maybe 10 in each direction. Seeing how it feels. Hopefully it feels better and better as you do it. Good. So once you're done that, what I like to do is repeat. So do all of those again. So you'd start from the top. You do 10 of these between 12 and 6, and then 10 between 3 and 9, and then 10 going clockwise and counterclockwise. And hopefully what you feel is that your muscles in your back have relaxed and your body is just moving a little bit more freely as you do these. Yeah, so once you're done that, next I'd like to do a knee to chest. So you're gonna take one knee and you're gonna support it with your hands. And you're just gonna give your knee a little bit of a pull towards your face. And here we're stretching the glute. So I've got my right leg in my hands and I'm stretching my right glute. We're gonna hold here for 30 seconds. And during that time, hopefully you're taking about 5 or 6 breaths, hopefully down into the belly. Good, and then letting that go and doing the other side. Again, trying to bring the breath down into the belly. And here you're stretching your left glute, pulling your knee to your face and breathing into it. Good, we'll release that. Next one is a child's pose. So we're gonna roll all the way over. We're gonna go to hands and knees. So hopefully you're okay here. Your toes can flatten, so relax the feet there. And we'll try to sit our hips as far back onto our heels as you can. Sometimes I like to breathe out, so breathing out as you go back. And then if you can, find support for your head. So maybe it's your forearms stacked. And if you're not going down as low as I am, that's okay. You may be here. Sometimes it's nice to stick a pillow behind your butt so that you've got something to rest on. And then again, finding rest for the forehead down. And while you're in child's pose, you're gonna breathe into your lower back. So you wanna find your belly breath and try to stretch the muscles of your lower back with your breath. So look something like this. So you're using your inhales to stretch your lower back muscles, and then you're using your exhales to relax the lower back even more, allowing your body to kind of settle down and relax. Because ultimately we want those back muscles to relax so that they feel a little bit better, they get more blood flow, and they don't hurt as much. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you found value. If you're finding, these are kind of struggles and you need a little bit more help, please reach out. Would love to help with some stretches and some exercises. And yeah, take care.